Okay, we have covered a lot of areas this week, including the Constitution and its impact on criminal law, the framework of our government and its impact on criminal law, crimes versus torts, and the 4 generally recognized goals of the criminal justice system. All of these areas are very important aspects of our course. For your convenience, and so that you can use it as a reference, I have attached the PowerPoint on the next page. Please do not rely solely on the PowerPoint. It is one of many tools we will utilize in the course to assure that the learning objectives are met. You do not have to read the PowerPoint word for word. It is intended to assist you in comprehending some of the concepts we discussed this week. Please don't print it out and kill more trees. Just have it on you'll have it access to it on your computer for your use when you need to. And please remember to use the Canvas inbox to the left here to let me know if you have any questions. If you go next to next, you'll see the PowerPoint come up. And again, that's just for you to have quick reference to it. And so this week, to wrap it up, congratulations. We have gained experience in explaining the 2 major functions of the Constitution and its impact on criminal law, identifying the branches of government and their relationship to the criminal law, describing the similarities and differences between criminal law and tort law, understanding the 4 generally recognized goals of the criminal justice system, and finally identifying the general limitations on the exercise of the police power by government. That's it for this week. Enjoy a couple days off, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.